if I told you the key to reversing aging and achieving flawless skin was hiding in a tiny capsule? Hyaluronic acid is being called the holy grail of anti-aging, but is it a miracle cure or just another marketing scam? Join me as I uncover the truth. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be diving into the world of supplements and skincare. If you've ever wanted to have glowing skin that's deeply hydrated and boost your skincare from the inside out, stay tuned. We've got something for you. I have been taking supplements since I was about 18 years old. When I started way back then, I had no idea of how these supplements were going to affect my skin health. I really just wanted to be healthier. Fast forward, I am 49, almost 50 years old now, and I can attest and say that after years of taking supplements, they have really helped my skin health. I created a free guide that's available on my Patreon, which you can download, which gives you tips on which vitamins to take for healthy, glowing skin. I will leave the link for the description box below. It's completely free and anybody can download it. So without further ado, I'm going to talk to you about some supplements that will help your skin as you age. Here are some reasons why you should add supplements to your skincare as you age. As you age, the body goes through hormonal changes, collagen production decreases, hyaluronic acid levels diminish, and ceramide levels also decline, which in effect causes dryness and dehydration, the onset of fine lines and wrinkles, loss of elasticity, and sagginess in the skin. As a 49-year-old woman, I started to experience some dryness last year. So in the beginning, I purchased a deeply nourishing and hydrating moisturizer and also added in a face oil. While these products worked really well, I wasn't quite satisfied with my skin. And I felt that I needed to do something from the inside out to combat the dryness. And that's when I decided to add hyaluronic acid supplements to my skincare routine. So I did a lot of research on hyaluronic acid supplements and their benefits for the skin. I know how hyaluronic acid works topically, but I had to research it to know if the benefits, if the pros outweighed the cons by taking it internally. So what I found is that it's very good for anti-aging, and it's also good for the joint and articulation, but it helps to increase firmness, improve elasticity, and increase hydration, all things that are very important to aging skin. What I did learn by reading some research studies is that you have to take a minimum of 120 milligrams of hyaluronic acid a day for 3 months before you start to see any results. So you have to be committed to taking hyaluronic acid in order to get the results that you want. So after I did my research, I started looking for the best brands, ones that were reputable and ones that had at least 120 milligrams of hyaluronic acid per dose, because I didn't want to be taking something that wasn't going to give me the results that I needed, as I have to commit for 3 months, and I already knew that I needed to take 120 milligrams per day in order to reap the results. So I found a brand here in France, where I'm based, and it's a well-known French brand that produces supplements called Granion, and I bought a box of, 3 boxes I bought for the 3 months of hyaluronic acid. It contains 200 milligrams per dose, along with 1,000 milligrams of collagen, marine collagen, and 5 milligrams of ceramides plus niacinamide, vitamin B3. So I was really, really interested to take this one. I looked at other brands and some were comparable, some had less, but I really liked the formulation of the marine collagen plus the ceramides, because your skin also loses ceramides, and niacinamide, the vitamin B3. So I'm still on my first box. I haven't done 1 month as yet, and what I can tell you is that I don't know. My skin looks well, but then I've been investing in my skincare routine and doing a lot of things back with my LED masks, doing my exfoliating masks as well, and, keeping up with my retinoids, every now and then. So I don't know how this is working out for me. I do know that my skin looks well and it looks good, and I also take a lot of supplements. So I have been looking at my skin. I've been analyzing every day, and I am anxious to see what these supplements will do for me after the 3-month period. So I want you to stick with me and stay tuned. I'm going to come back to this. I'm going to come back. I'm going to finish 3 months faithfully, and I'm going to take them religiously, because I do believe that I will see some results. But as of yet, I have almost a month. I've been like 3 weeks in, and to be honest with you, I haven't seen anything. I mean, my skin has been looking good, but I've been doing my skincare routine. So the glow will come naturally if you have a good skincare routine. So I can't blame it on these supplements, not yet anyway. So what I'm going to do is continue with this, and then I'm going to get back to you in a future video. So that's it for today, guys. I'll be back with a future video on my journey with the hyaluronic acid supplements. In the meantime, you can go to my Patreon and download Get Glowing Skin Within with vitamins. It is free to download. I will leave the link for you in the description box. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, my beauties. Bye.